Hey folks, I want to do some maintenance on the Homestead today. Help my appliances last longer. We got to do some maintenance on the refrigerator. It's been 10 years. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I got to do. Hey, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. I brought you guys in the kitchen because we've had this refrigerator. We bought this refrigerator brand new. It's a Frigidaire when we installed the house. So it's been 10 years now that we've had the refrigerator, and it's time to clean out the coils. It's overdue, and I bet you those coils are really dusty. So let's pull the refrigerator out and see what we've got down here. Once I've got the refrigerator pulled out, I've got 3 of these hex nut screws that I've got to remove. They're 1/4 inch. I believe they're 1/4 inch hex nut. So I just remove all 3 of those, and this is just a cardboard dust cover. Doesn't do much for covering the dust, but there's a lot of dust under there. Look at it's dusty. There's a bunch of dust in the fence. So the 2 tools I'm going to use today is the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to get as much of the dust bunnies out of there as possible, and then the other one I'm going to use my little air compressor with a special blow valve on it. So let's get this all blown out. Yes, I'm gonna blow dust all over the kitchen, but I'll clean it up. It's okay. But we've got to preserve the refrigerator, the longevity of the refrigerator. And sometimes when your refrigerators go bad, it's because your coil's overheated, they're not cooling efficiently, or your compressor overheated because it's not cooling efficiently, because everything's covered with dust. You clean it off, you're dust free, you can get some life out of that refrigerator. With this, the way the economy is right now, I can't afford to run down and buy a new refrigerator. It just ain't gonna happen. Now I pulled the front cover off and cleaned it off. It was full of dust. It accesses the front panel. Be sure to clean that off too, because that allows airflow back through under the refrigerator to get the coils cool. Because you need those that exchange for the coils, because that's what helps cool your insides. So now that I got the refrigerator pushed back, I went ahead and reattached it to the wall. This is one of my features I covered in making the house earthquake proof. And the refrigerator, since it's a tall appliance, I bolted it or screwed it to the wall. So you can use an L bracket, couple screws, and find a stud in the wall and screw it there. That way when the earth shakes, your refrigerator won't fall over or bounce across the room. So, same way with all your other tall furniture. So So now that we got this back in place, let's put this back on. It's supposed to just snap in place. There we go. Well, that's my Homestead tip for you for getting longevity out of your appliances. Just clean the dust out of them. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. This is Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. We're a frugal homestead tech high in the Cascade Ranges of the Pacific Northwest. Please stay tuned to more videos. You could do that by subscribing, clicking that bell icon that alerts you to new videos as I upload them. Leave a comment, share some of your homestead tips or household tips with me. Homeowners got the stuff that you gotta do. Be safe, always be kind. We'll see you guys in my next adventure. Bye-bye now.